So today's video is going to be an Amazon makeup haul. I got a bunch of new products from Amazon and I also restocked on some of my old favorites. Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. So Amazon is currently having their wardrobe refresh sale. It's on from the 9th to 14th and trust me guys, the deals are so good. You can get up to 70% off on your beauty and fashion favorites on Amazon. So go ahead and check that out. It's December, which means it's officially party season. Christmas is just around the corner and so is New Year's Eve. So I picked up a bunch of new makeup products for the party season and I'm so excited to show you guys my party makeup essentials. So let's get ready together for a birthday party tonight, and I'm also going to show you guys everything I got from the Amazon wardrobe refresh sale. I also repurchased my favorite primer from Sugar, which is always out of stock for some reason, but this time I got my hands on it. It's the Sugar Aquaholic primer. This primer is the best. I highly recommend you guys to get your hands on it. It's always out of stock and that tells you everything. I'm obsessed and so is everyone else. Get your hands on this right away. So there were a couple of new launches which I was really excited about. Maybelline launched their Fit Me Skin Tint in India, which I was so excited to try, so I got that. I also got my hands on the L'Oreal Infallible Powder Foundation, which is a viral TikTok product, and I was so excited to try it out. Then I got the Swiss Beauty Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil, which is an absolute gem. Let me tell you guys, I love the tip of this brow pencil. It is so easy to apply. Obsessed with this eyebrow pencil. It is so affordable and so effective. It is pigmented. It has a spoolie on the other end, which makes it so easy to blend out the product. I highly recommend you guys to get your hands on this one. I also really wanted to get this Maybelline Tarot Studio Smoky Eye Gel Pencil. Currently obsessed with brown kajals and eyeliners, which is why I had to get my hands on this. I absolutely love the formula of this pencil. I've used it in the color black. I really want to get my hands on brown. I'm so excited to try this out and I can't wait to see how it looks. I also got my hands on two mascaras. I am obsessed with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara and I ran out of my old one, so I decided to get a new tube of the same. There is a reason this mascara was also viral on TikTok and trust me guys, you need to get your hands on it. I also got my hands on the Sugar Lash of the Titan's Volumizing Mascara. I had a tube of this but I misplaced it, but I really loved this so much so I had to get my hands on it. So now I'm just going to insert a clip of me doing my makeup. Starting with skincare, I'm going to apply my favorite eye cream. I love the applicator of this eye cream and it's so hydrating. I'm also going to apply this moisturizer from Dot & Key. I love how lightweight it is. You can get these at a great deal from Amazon. Next, I'm going to move on to primer. This is my favorite primer, as I previously mentioned. It is perfect to get that flawless base. I'm also going to apply some lip balm to hydrate my lips. Alright, so moving on to makeup, this is the LA Girl Concealer. I'm going to use this to conceal my dark circles. This concealer has been my absolute favorite since the past 3 years and I swear by it. I'm going to blend this out and then I'm going to try out this new Fit Me Skin Tint. I absolutely love that this has SPF. This shade was not perfect for me, but I'm going to fix it with this powder foundation by L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to take the highlighter shade of the Sugar palette and apply it all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit and I'm also going to add some blush. I absolutely love this blush. It is so gorgeous. I'm also going to add some highlighter after setting my face. Then moving on to eyebrows, I got this new eyebrow pencil from Swiss Beauty. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend. This new Maybelline pencil has a smudger and sharpener as well. I'm going to use it to define my eyes ever so slightly. And then I'm going to add the Sugar Arrested for Overstay eyeliner. I've loved this eyeliner for a while. Moving on to lashes, I'm going to apply my favorite Maybelline Sky High Mascara to my top and bottom lashes both. And then I'm going to apply my favorite new lipstick. This is Arti by Simply Nam. It's a liquid matte lipstick. I love how this look has turned out. So this is my final look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments below. The Amazon wardrobe refresh sale started on 9 December and is on till 14 December. They have some amazing deals on the beauty and fashion categories, so I highly recommend you guys to go check that out. Grab your party makeup essentials from Amazon. Head over to my Amazon store and shop now. I'm gonna add the link in my description box. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope this video helped you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. You can also leave a comment below if you have any questions. I always reply to all of them. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me. I love you all so much and I will see you guys in my next one.